the local flooring store and we got these pallets for $1 a piece. And we're gonna make them into a super big outdoor dining table. It's gonna be fabulous. Fabulous. Yep. So we're just gonna arrange them and try and figure out how we're gonna do this. Alright, so we measured out all of our pallets and we decided we're gonna go with the ones that are all similar in thickness, and because they're all very different, and then we are going to do 40 inches or more just to keep the sizing all the same. So now we're gonna detach all of the parts and start building the frame. So I thought I was gonna be in the office today doing office stuff, but I guess I have to help with the table. So we got all of the boards off of the pallets and we have it laid on top of what's gonna be the frame, right? And so we're just needing to arrange how we want the boards laid out. So how long did it take you to take all of the wood off of the pallets?
About 130 seconds.
5 or 6 hours.
5 or 6 hours. How many pallets did you end up pulling apart? 3. So it's a little tedious. Just a little.
Hey, Daddy, your pony's ruined.
Okay, what are you doing?
Sliding these up so we can attach them to the base. I'm gonna put a 2x4 on the end first. This is the smallest board though, so I'm measuring.
Are you gonna put anything going across this way between this one and these 3, or?
You don't need to.
No?
Because these are gonna be nailed on all 3 spots, so they'll provide the side-to-side structure.
And if you're wondering what that noise is in the background, it's these guys slurping up their muddy water. 'Cause even though they have clean water, they like to drink the puddle instead.
2 inches on the end to the board, 15.5 in between each.
This is the ghetto way to cut your boards, apparently.
Well, I'm not super concerned that it's perfect. I just want to be closer. One cut. That's all.
Okay, so these cedar posts right here is what we're using as the legs. So it's gonna be a very, very rustic looking table. Go long or go home. Are the legs gonna sit on the inside?
Yep, the legs will be somewhere on the inside.
Okay. Where I want them?
Yeah.
I thought they were gonna be like flush to the corner.
You want them flush to the corner?
Yeah.
The way that I'm planning on doing this, though, is I'm gonna cut a piece out of the leg. So if it's flush to the corner, it's gonna be flush to this edge too.
I don't understand.
Your leg.
Okay.
For structural reasons, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim a little bit off the top.
Uh-huh.
So there'll just be a notch that sits above. But that means that it'll end up sitting like this.
So,
And then there'll be a notch on the inside that goes up to the top.
yeah, I like that.
Okay. So then my only other thing is, in the middle, we're gonna need
Meet me in the middle.
we're gonna need a leg here and a leg here.
Uh-huh.
My only concern is then there's no support for this. So I'm wondering if I should add a cross brace.
I think you should add a cross brace, which was my idea. Okay, we're squaring up. I don't know what that means. Oops. Ah! Sorry.
Okay, we're up to
So, what does that mean?
quarter of an inch ain't much, but might be noticeable over 12 feet. If one end is like cockeyed a little bit, so like it's pointed this way even though it looks straight, so you have to square stuff up. Because a little difference magnified over this distance could be a big deal.
That would be no good. No good. Okay, so we decided on 2-inch overhang on both sides and on the sides. So I'm just trying to pick the sides that I like the best, flipping them from side to side and then lining them up how I think they look good. Dispersing these ones because these ones are the shortest, so this is our guide for the width. So then eventually this is going to be trimmed so that they all match the shortest board.
Gotta make them all fit together, so I'm gonna cut this guy down with a circular saw.
So that the last board, which is from the same pallet as the first board we started with, will match. Only because we did that because we wanted the board on the end to not have anything like potential cracks. So we picked one of our newer boards and one that was less rotting than the others, I guess you could say. So also one thing to keep in mind is when you're picking out pallet boards is they're all going to have different thicknesses. So you want to try ones that kind of have similar thickness. Because otherwise you'll end up with, like this one down here is a little bit thicker than the others. So we'll see how that, I mean it's gonna get sanded slightly, but it's still gonna have a bump. But that's what you get when you're doing an outdoor rustic farmhouse table. So which are you gonna cut first?
Board. And here to here is 1.5 inches, so we'll clamp this down 1.5 inches beyond. Very small board.
Yeah.
Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe and share with your friends. Please visit our website at wildwebblefarmhouse.com.